Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to fix static red light issue in your Paytm SoundBox. So let's start the video friends. So here it is, the Paytm SoundBox. So at the back side you can see here it is 4 lights are there. So if it is there red light showing continuously, so friends, there is a issue in your charging or the connectivity of the SIM card to your sound box, or there is any charging problem. So friends, let's fix it. So friends, here it is. First, this type C port, you have to charge your Paytm sound box at least 15 to 30 minutes, and then you have to just check your this sound box if it is working. So you have to long press this power button for at least 3 to 5 seconds, and then if it is showing yellow light and then blue light, your network strength is full and it is powerful. So the red light problem will be solved. If not, you have to check your SIM card it is properly set. So you have to remove this SIM card in your Paytm soundbox and just remove the SIM card and again set. Click on this power button, and if it is showing yellow light and then continuous blue light, your problem will be fixed. If not, you have to just long press the power button and then it will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.